Alright, let's continue this route. Let me turn the volume down. Also, I am sick. Okay, we got the O2. Alright. 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 Also, sorry if I don't talk much to this video. My throat hurts and it kind of hurts to talk. Also, sorry about the snotty sniffling you're hearing. My nose is stopped up, and it's been bad. I got maybe like an hour or two of sleep last night because I just could not breathe. Yo, did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome. I'm so jealous. She was just standing there waiting forever, and then you just come on. Let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. 18. Alright, got Aaron. Okay. Alright, let's get the quiche. Here we go. Yeah, most times I forget to get the quiche in this route. Normally when I play. The thing I remembered this time, because it can be pretty useful during Undying the Undying. Because it is a pretty decent heal. Alright, here we go. I can't believe Kara made me kill Washawa. Why did they make me do that? Alright, there. Had to get my free YouTube short. Had to get my YouTube short for that. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me. Whoa. I'm never washing my face again. Whoa, bro. I'm just a homicidal toddler. Don't tell the police, bro. Don't tell this homicidal toddler. Look, do not tell this toddler that's trying to kill people. Tell the police. Actually, don't, because pretty soon there will be no police to tell. Gideon, come get Undyne. Okay, let's get this. Alright. I'm gonna sell that one. Alright, here we go. Okay. Alright, got this room where we can just walk through here, not get annoyed. We're not annoyed by the octopus. Octopus can be kind of annoying if you're trying to get through the fastest route as fast as possible. Okay. We don't need an umbrella. Yo, you can't hold an umbrella either? If you're walking anyway, if you're walking anyway, I guess I'll go with you. Haha. Let's go. Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. But that's about to change. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. Haha. Well, I'm not gonna just beat her up. I'm going to end her life in game. Feel like I have to say that. So one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She could beat up all the teachers. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. Alright. Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Climb up on my shoulders. Alright. Ow. Yo, try being a little less... Ow. Yo, try being a little less rough next time. Anyway, I'll look for another way, though, later. Did they say that? Normally? I mean, not he... Do they normally say that? I can't believe Kara made me misgender Monster Kid. But do they normally say that? Monster Kid doesn't have a gender, do they? I don't think they do. But do they normally say be less rough? Or is that only in the genocide route? Alright. Alright. It sounds like it came from over here. I can't do the Azrael voice today. I want to, but like I can't. I can't do the voice. I don't think I can really do any of the voices today, which I'm really glad that I did Snowden when I did before I got sick, because I really needed. I was like constantly switching up the voices in that video, like constantly switching between Sans and Papyrus. So it's only pretty good that I only have to do Undying Monster Kid, like in this instance, Azrael. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Kara, huh? That's a nice name. My name. Wonder what his name was. Anyways, don't care. 13 left. Alright, let's get rid of it. Maybe I don't need this. Seems like a regular training dummy. Do you want to beat it up? Yes. You punch the dummy at full force. Feels good. Fool, you think you can't hurt me? I'm the ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too until you came along. Not only did your actions cause them to leave their home, but now all of their neighbors are gone too. Despicable, despicable, despicable. You're the worst person I've ever met. I've never been more mad. My man levels are going off the chart. This this feeling, human, the moment of unbridled emotion, and allowed me to finally fuse with my body. I'm fully corporeal now. My long life dream realized. In return, I guess I won't stomp you. How's that sound? Glad you're finally enjoying your new home after all these years. Anyways, you're homeless now. Alright. Okay. Dreams fight. Let's go. Let's talk. Oh wait, we can threat fate. Long ago, Asgore and I agreed to it that escaping would be pointless, since once we left, humans would just kill us. I felt a little betrayed when he eventually changed his mind, but now I think maybe he was right too. Because after all, even though we never escaped, humans killing us anyway. Ain't that right? I feel like I'm gonna regret it, but it's Gerson, so it's worth it. I've lived too long to be afraid of something like you. Try it, kiddo. I know you can't. I know you can't hear. No, dang, he really just acknowledged the fact that we can't fight him because he's a. Dang. We'll probably get something after 10 Village. Speaking of Temmie, where'd they go? Okay, let's go. We don't even have to move. You can just stay here. I don't want to hear anything about how much damage that was. I don't want to hear shit about that. Any of your comments about that are getting deleted. I don't care. So, whoa, you got tough glove? Can I have that tough glove? Yeah. Alright. I don't think we need anything from Gerson. But let's get something just in let's just get something just in case. We could also get some encounters on the way, so it's kind of worth it. Alright. Don't expect a discount. Yo, got the crab apple. Alright. Alright, now let's go to the next room. We're almost done, too. I'm just not realizing how short Waterfall is. Like, it is not long at all. I mean, really, none of the areas are long. Well, it doesn't feel that long. It's been 20 minutes. It has not felt like 20 minutes. Alright. Just sit here. Feels like it's like there's like some input delay in the attacking. Behind you. Seven human souls. With the power of 7 human souls, our king, King Asgore Dreamer, will become a god. With that power, Asgore can finally shatter the barrier. We can finally take the surface back from humanity. And give them back the suffering and pain that we have endured. Understand, human? This is your only chance at redemption. Give up your soul, or I'll tear it from your body. Undyne, I'll help you fight. Yo, you did it. Undyne is right in front of you. You got front seat row. You got front row seats to her fight. Wait, who's she fighting? Me. Hey, you weren't gonna tell my parents about this, are you? See how many people are left. Strongly, you felt one left. You shouldn't proceed yet. Bet, huh? Who will our final victim before Undyne be? Who will it be? Who will it be? There. Alright. Alright, so that's it for this video. While this video is uploading, I'm gonna record the next part where I fight Undyne. And, yeah, I'm gonna post both these videos in the same... I'm gonna try and get these both posted in the same day. But, yeah. That's it for this video. And make sure you watch, the Undyne fight video.